Welcome to Orage Technologies. Today, we are going to discuss 5 ways to stay on top of the latest SEO trends. 1. Blogs, YouTube, podcasts. One of the most valuable ways to stay updated in the SEO world is by reading SEO blogs, watching YouTube videos and podcasts. Some of our favorite sources include Search Engine Land, Search Engine Roundtable, and brand-backed blogs like SEMrush, Ahrefs, and Moz. Many thought leaders and brands offer recorded webinars on YouTube, making it a valuable resource for staying informed. Some great podcasts include Branded Search and Beyond with Jason Bernard, the SEO Mindset Podcast, and Marketing O'Clock. 2. Follow thought leaders. Following SEO thought leaders on social media, especially platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter, is a powerful way to stay informed. These experts share their thoughts and reflections daily, offering real-time tips and tricks. Some of our favorite thought leaders include Lily Ray, Mary Haynes, Mike King, Cyrus Shepard, Glenn Gabe, and official Googlers like John Mueller, Danny Sullivan, and others. 3. Use SEO tools. SEO tools are essential for simplifying tasks and identifying unique issues for your client's digital presence. They also provide valuable content and insights. Leveraging the right tools can make your job easier and keep you informed about the latest developments. 4. Use search and its features. While tools and knowledge are crucial, you can't ignore the power of real-time experience with search engines. Google is constantly testing new features and algorithms. The best way to understand these changes is by actively using, testing, and experimenting with search engines. 5. Practice and do the work. The most effective way to become a skilled SEO professional is by practicing, staying in practice, and experiencing the evolution of SEO firsthand is irreplaceable. Embrace the changes and enjoy the journey of continuous learning and growth. If you are looking for the best SEO services to propel your business to the top of search engine results, Orage Technologies is here to make it happen. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.